Are you looking to buy a Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G? Then you should watch this video completely. Otherwise, you will hate this phone after buying it. Subscribe this channel to watch more videos on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. Realme 10 Pro Plus is a beautiful phone with a good design, delightful curved display and an affordable price range. Press the like button if you agree with me. But this is not a value for money phone, and in this Realme 10 Pro Plus review, I'm gonna talk about 4 problems that many users are facing on this phone. Apart from the flagship level 120Hz curved display, which even has eye protection features and certifications, everything else is not very good in this phone. The MediaTek Dimensity 1080 CPU on this phone is pretty weak and cannot handle heavy gaming, video editing or multitasking. I am currently using a OnePlus 10R 5G with Dimensity 8100 Max CPU. Even then, when editing videos, I am facing crashes and lags. I had never experienced anything like this on my OnePlus 9 Pro with Snapdragon 888 CPU. So I am pretty sure that MediaTek Dimensity 1080 on Realme 10 Pro Plus will have problems. Coming to cameras, Realme 10 Pro Plus camera test shows decent performance and good quality photos with the main camera, even if there is no OIS. However, the macro and the ultrawide cameras are very bad in quality. Realme 10 Pro Plus charging test shows how the battery charging takes place within 40 minutes for a full charge. Now coming back to the problems on this phone, the first issue is the bloatware. Realme 10 Pro Plus is filled with bloatware everywhere. Notoriously, there are these 2 folders showing hot apps and hot games from Realme Store. There are other apps as well, out of which some of these can be uninstalled while some cannot be deleted. The second problem is app recommendations and advertisements in the phone. No matter where you look, there are ads. Even if you install an app from Google Play Store, the phone shows advertisements and recommendations from Realme Store. One thing that you can do after Realme 10 Pro Plus unboxing is to turn off this setting and withdraw permissions given for ads and recommendations, and these recommendations will be removed to an extent. Realme has accepted the bloatware and ads issue and has said that it will remove explicit and sexual content from recommendations in Realme 10 Pro Plus with a new software update. According to me, what you should do is delete Realme Store and associated services from the phone completely and get rid of the bloatware and ads completely. Check out this video to learn how to uninstall system apps from any phone easily. You should delete these Realme apps because Realme makes almost around 10,000 rupees on every phone every year just through ads and bloatware. And along with this, Realme Store also collects your data that can be used for some other purposes that we don't even know. The third problem on Realme 10 Pro Plus is heating issue when charging the phone as well as playing games. Realme 10 Pro Plus gaming test shows that games like PUBG, BGMI, Apex Legends, Genshin Impact, etc. can be played well at medium graphics, but the phone gets hot with gaming. Now coming to the fourth issue, that is a problem with video streaming apps like Amazon Prime Video. Some users are reporting that Prime Video app cannot play videos at high resolution. This seems like an issue with Widevine L1 certification, but I couldn't test this as I don't pay money and use apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. I'm just an old-fashioned guy who torrents movies and TV shows. So as of now, these are the known issues that Realme 10 Pro Plus has, and if you are considering to buy this phone from Flipkart for the current price, then the only good thing that you're getting is a good quality display with curved screen. Everything else like the CPU, the cameras, the battery, everything is average and not worth the money. If you have any doubts, feel free to mention them in the comment section and I will help you out as I can. If you are considering other options, then buying a second-hand OnePlus 9 Pro would be really better than buying this phone from Realme.